Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Java 20 on Windows 11. Okay, let's go ahead and go to Google and type JDK download. Go to the first search result, scroll down and choose your operating system. In my case, it's Windows 11, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the Windows tab. Now, I'm going to choose the third link, which is the MSI installer. Just click on that link and download the installation file. Once it finishes downloading, just click on the file itself. This is going to start the installation process for Java JDK 20. Here, all you have to do is click on the next button, and this will install Java JDK 20 into program files on your computer, which is the default folder. Now here, all you have to do is click on the close button. Now let's go ahead and open File Explorer. Scroll down to the C drive where we just installed Java 20. It's going to be in Program Files. Scroll down again to find Java folder. Here's the Java folder. Go inside there. Here's JDK 20. Go inside that folder, and here go into the bin folder. This is where your Java executable file is, and we need to copy this location. Select and right click and copy. Now go to your start button and start typing environment variables. Press enter, click on environment variables button here, go to the box at the bottom, scroll down where you see path and click edit. Here, click on the new button and paste that link we just copied with the bin folder. Click OK. Now click the new button and start typing Java_home. And at the bottom here, paste that link again, but delete the bin and press OK button. Now here, click OK and OK. Now open your command prompt and start typing Java --version and press enter. Now I already have another version of Java JDK installed on my computer, but if you're installing Java JDK 20 for the first time, you should see Java 20 as your version here on the command line. This means Java JDK 20 has been successfully installed on your Windows 11.